morning everyone. Today I am going to speak woman improvement. So woman improvement is necessary for a woman where woman can take decision for their own and for their personal life and as well as for the society. Many program has been implemented by the government such as International Women's Day, Mother's Day to bring awareness in the society. There is a high level inequality in India where women are illiterate by their family member. The percentage illiterate in India 74%, in which 65% women are covered. So if we talk about in rural area, women don't get education high level because we all know over there lack of schools and college. So that's why girls don't get high level education. So I want to say of Indian government should be implemented schools and college in rural area where women can take education in proper way. So please tell me, 48% women in our country and women don't get education. So how we can grow of their country? Because every person say like this, other country is high growing as compared to the India, because we don't give more importance of women, and bank is not ready to give the loans of women. Bank say women can't pay the loan, and why is it happening in our country? So I want to talk about divorce rate. Women improvement are causes of increasing divorce rate. Why is increasing divorce rate in our country? So it all happen due to of misunderstanding between couples. It also a major problem of increasing divorce rate. That person always keep inebriated, and after being a lot of upset, women take divorce from them. So in ancient time, women couldn't get education because that time it was not allowed that women get education. But now women are participating in every stage, in every field, and such as politician, education systems, science, art, and women is getting education proper way, and women is doing job in every company right now. And in nowadays in our custom, men and women feel sad when a girl born in any family. It absolutely wrong, and we shouldn't being disappointed that time. So educate your women first and leave them to themselves. Then they will tell you what are reforms necessary for them. So there is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is not improved. It is not possible for a bird to fly on only one wings.